What do animals say? Name the animal and repeat their sound. First animal is dog. What does the dog says? Dog says woof woof. What does the cat says? Cat says meow meow. What does the mouse says? Mouse says squeak squeak. Squeak squeak. What does the cow says? Cow says moo moo. What does the horse says? Horse says neigh neigh. Next animal is a rooster. What does the rooster says? Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does the hen says? Hen says cluck 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 cluck. What does the goose says? Goose says honk 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 honk. What does the turkey says? Turkey says gobble 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 gobble. What does the duck says? Duck says quack 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 quack. Next animal is sheep. What does the sheep says? What does the sheep say? Sheep says ba ba. What does the donkey says? Donkey says hee ho hee ho. What does the goat says? Goat says ma ma. What does the pig says? Pig says oink 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 oink. What does the rabbit says? Rabbit says jump jump. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.